Hey guys, hope you are doing well and welcome to another new video. In our today's video, we'll show you how you can create a form on WP form, general, description, comment or message. This is required, paragraph large. Okay, now it's look good. Then I will reload it here and I will click on here again. Okay, now it's look good, but the form is not showing. Okay, I will remove it. Okay, first name, last name, email, number, and I will make it large, and the general is phone number. Okay, phone number. Now I will drop down capture name, email, checkbox, drop down multiple choice. I don't need one of them. Okay, text, single line text, no multiple choice. Okay, I need actually this, so I don't need this field also, so I remove it. I just need these two options. I will click on reload. I will click on this. Now it's working well. Phone number. Okay, our next procedure is this. We will remove this footer content from here. We'll remove this. We'll add our that image. We'll make our form here. Okay, so do it. We will go here, Facebook, Instagram, sign up, copyright. Okay, so we will change it AJ Inventive 2022 and build by all rights reserved. All RIGHT, all rights, REAZRVED, all right reserved by AJ Inventive, all right reserved by AJ Inventive. The spelling is correct or not? Okay, okay, we paste it over here and I will make it as link and I will paste it as BD here and okay, apply it. Okay, now I'll change this image and I will add image here, add media. No, I don't have to upload it again. I already have uploaded it here. Okay, now I'll click on update and I will watch the update here, but the image is not updated yet. But we updated it already. I updated it and I tried again. Okay, the image is here but not so big. I need this image at that side. Makes a big. I click on update button after update it. it's don't it's not working actually. Widget is saved, but it's not coming over here. Okay, no problem. I will remove this. It takes some time, I think, to update it. Alright, reserve age inventive. Okay. Okay. Now I have to add and plug in to our website. So I'll go to the plugin section, click on add new button, then I will search for Mailchimp. I will search for Mailchimp and I will install this plugin. It's installing. After install the plugin, I will activate it. Okay, the plugin is activated successfully. Now there is an option Mailchimp. I'll go to Mailchimp and I will connect it with my Mailchimp account. Log into my Mailchimp. Log in. There is a form on my Mailchimp account. I will copy the API key from my website, from my account. After copy the link, I'll go this area, API key. I already have an API key that I created yesterday. I will copy it and paste it. I will paste this API key to this field and save changes. Now it will show they're connected. Yes, it's now connected. Now age inventive, the form I need on form. I will go here. Okay, sign up, add new form. Okay, okay, now it's added. I will give the code here. I don't need this title. Now I'll update it. After update I will. Okay, now it's look pretty good. It's a nice. Okay, now it's good, but I don't need this. Sign up for new to our news shelter and receive all of our latest product and offer. Okay, now it's look pretty good. Okay, the next steps. Okay, so that's all about our today's video. If you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel to get more videos like this. Thank you very much.